professionalism, economic and political empowerment of our people. So, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is not for us and the Yoruba Alliance, but it's all about our honorees. And we are going to give them what is really due to them. This year, I've not really done everything on my own, as you must have guessed. I want to call some of our officers just to come forward. This is just to take care of our own business before we take care of our honorees. So let me call some of our officers here. Our Vice Chairman is Mr. Jagun. And our Deputy Secretary General is Mr. Michael Ajayi. Our Finance Director is Mr. Kola Akoni. Our Treasurer is Mr. Femi Orenuga. Director is Mr. Jewali. He's not able to come tonight. He has he's out of the state. So, Editor-in-Chief, who is in charge of our newsletters, is Mrs. Anibasha. Our Activities Director, the guy who all this kind of stuff falls on his shoulders, Mr. Kayode Aditayo. His deputy is Mr. Ayo Enyafe. Our property director is Mr. Wale Shominure. Our welfare director, Mr. Adam Dako Amusho. And our chief whip is Mr. Yunusa Gisu. Before I do, there's one flag that we're supposed to give out during the Yoruba Festival. Every year when we have our Yoruba Festival, any organization that gives us $2,500 or more, we usually give them a plaque. But this company came to us very late, so we were not able to give out the plaque at the time. They gave us $2,500. The company is Choice Professional Resources, and the president is Mrs. Bola Shotomikuchi. We also want to recognize one of our own, someone who worked for this organization. When we started the organization, we were together, and we worked together from that time to this time. He was our first Secretary General. He was second chairman of the Yoruba Alliance. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Franklin Akikoyi. to the Yoruba Festival this year, we noticed that we have a difference this year. And the difference was we had all these hospitals from Washington area. We have George Washington Hospital, Howard University Hospital. We have Prince George's Community Hospital. We have about 5 or 6 hospitals represented, and they were doing free blood pressure tests and cholesterol tests. And there's only one lady that helped us to put all this together. And I don't know how to thank her for all of her efforts. She's done very well. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to recognize Mrs. Eniafe. Also, we challenged all the organizations in the Yoruba Alliance. There are 14 organizations in the Yoruba Alliance. And during the Yoruba Festival, we challenged everyone that whatever amount you are able to raise, each association will be rewarded. We pay them like 10% of whatever they raised. And not only that, the winner will also get a plaque. And this year, our winner is the same as last year. Our winner this year is the Development Association. I'm going to ask the president, Mr. Akim, the Development Association helped us raise over $4,000. So they are getting the check for $410 along with the flag. In second place is the Elite Ladies Social Club. And in third place, ladies and gentlemen, my own Egba-Yewa Association, they helped us raise over $2,300. And our president is Victor Johnson. So all the organization will be presented with their checks later on. Okay. And our second on the list is our welfare director, Mr. Dapo Amushan. And last but not least, our Activities Director, Mr. Kayode Adetayo. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our awards for the Alliance, and I hope you enjoyed the evening. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you later.
Western Union to all of us. Tonight we are encouraging every one of us to send money home by Western Union. Western Union have been patronizing the Yoruba community. We send money to them, they make money from us, and they put the money back into our community. Please, we encourage every one of us, even by word of mouth, as well when you leave here, tell your friends, your family, they should all send money to Western Union. On this note, I would like to call on my friend, Steve, to please come forward in the Western Union representative. It's going to have raffle. Please keep your number, make sure you have your ticket with you, because this gentleman has a big surprise for us tonight. I'm not going to say anything about it, I will let him talk about it. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to seek your indulgence for Mr. Steve on behalf of Western Union. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. MC. Tajuddin. I feel very honored to get this opportunity to speak in front of you distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, first of all. I'd also like to let you know that I'm not going to make any long speech, though I'm given 10 minutes to speak. I'd like to start off by letting you know that Western Union has made a donation of $1,000 towards the scholarship fund of the And very quickly, I have two very important messages I'd like to communicate. I would like to, first of all, talk about the current promotion that Western Union is doing, which is the win $10,000 when you send money through Western Union. Each time you do a transaction through Western Union from now until the end of the year, your transaction will qualify you to enter into a sweepstakes where you have the opportunity to win $10,000. You do not have to do a transaction, however, to enter. If you fill out a form and send it into Western Union between now and January 8th of 2001. The second message is something that most customers have been talking to Western Union about, a lot of times complaining about the higher charges. In fact, I went to Nigeria to do a research for Western Union to find out what the right price that we need to charge our customers who do money transfer transactions to Nigeria. And by the way, of course, I'm Nigerian as well. This particular new price that we're doing for money transfer transactions to Nigeria is only available in Washington, D.C. We're doing what is called a price test. That price test is going to last until the end of December 2000. So I'll encourage you all here present to use Western Union money transfer now because the prices are lower. Our prices now, essentially we have a standard price which is $10 plus 5% of principal. So if you're sending your money home for Christmas,
for your Christmas presents for people that you have back home, please do it through Western Union. And I think that pretty much wraps up what I would like to say. The promotion, the new price that Western Union is charging for money transfers to Nigeria, and that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for having me, and you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you. We have several of them. We're going to insert it into the wallets that is part of the promotion that we're doing, win $10,000 promotion. We're going to insert those money orders in those wallets, and that's pretty much it. So I'll urge you to be a part of it, pick a number, and we'll call out some winners later. Thank you.
Steve,
on behalf of Western Union, I'm presenting a check to the Alliance of Yoruba Organizations in the amount of $1,000 to be applied toward the scholarship.
have good luck before they go home from here tonight. There is no way one person will win two. If you win the first one, we'll get your ticket from. Okay, we're ready. The first, Mr. Nabe, please pick one number for me before you. Ticket was picked by the chairman, and the number is, I will read the last 3 digits to make it easier. Or the last 4 digits. 5258. Who has it? 5258. The last 4 digits. If nobody in this room has a ticket, so 5258. Do not forget. If you pick it up, let me know. The first prize winner. Miss Oluremi is our first winner. Please make sure you get the ticket. Western Union get the ticket. The next number, 5243. Check your ticket. 5243, the last 4 digits. Mr. Shodiya, do we have the video clips ready? All remember it's Alliance Night. The first video clips that we would like to show everybody in this room is that of one of our honorees, the first person that you have on your program, Dr. Adegbola Olarinde. The first video clip that we would like to show you is that of Dr. Olabisi Jagun. Please, lend all your ears, please.
On August 29, 1955, her mother came from Oluremi and her father came from Egba-Yewa. Dr. Jagun's early primary and middle school education was in Agona and Ashanti respectively in Ghana. She started her secondary education at Our Lady of Apostles Secondary Grammar School in Egba-Yewa. Proceeded to St. Anne's School in Ibadan, where she graduated with grade 1 distinction. Subsequently, Dr. Olabisi Jagun was admitted to study medicine at the University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, in 1972. And she obtained her medical degree in 1979. Immediately, she proceeded to the University of London, where she obtained her Master's of Science degree in Occupational Medicine and Public Health. Thereafter, she completed her residency training in internal medicine at Howard University Medical Services and DC General Hospital in Washington, D.C. After becoming a board-certified MD in 1989, Dr. Jagun continued her fellowship training in nephrology at Howard University Hospital. She successfully completed her fellowship training and certification in June 1992. Dr. Olabisi Jagun has privileges to practice medicine in several of the Washington area hospitals. She is the chairperson of the Department of Emergency Medicine at the Greater Southeast Community Hospital in Washington, D.C. She is the attendant of Washington, D.C. She is a member of American Society of Nephrology, member of National Medical Association, and member Association of Nigerian Physicians in North America. She is a fellow of the American College of Physicians and American Society of Internal Medicine. Dr. Olabisi Jagun has helped many Nigerian physicians interested in emergency medicine obtain employment at several in this area and beyond. Dr. Jagun is married to her lovely husband, who you saw